Okay, here is the Georgia boy, and as you see, we got quite a bit of work going on. I have recently finished the hallway here. You can't tell that anything is finished because look at the mess. Anyway, turn around. Alright, well, some stuff laying there. Well, what I did is I got into the front of this motorhome. There was some wood rot on both the left and right side of the dash, right around where the mirrors were bolted to. I removed that and cut a new board, which is actually 1 inch thick. So using 3/4 and a 1/4 inch piece, laminating it. And right here, as you'll see, I had to make this. This is the board that will be going in. Alright, I'm going to cover that with some leather. Got a roll of it back there. And as you see behind this is the actual wood that I had replaced. All those little L brackets that you see, that's securing the wood into the metal frame of the coach, which there is a little metal frame. So anyway, kind of see maybe a little bit up here in the dash how it looked. So I need to set that back in there, and it looks pretty nice. So anyway, we are off and running. I removed all the boards around the windshield, the little header above the windshield. You can see that up there's all gone. That was all rotted away and kind of falling and cracked up. So I'm going to create a new one. That's what I'm working on right now, finishing some of these side panels so I can go ahead and create a framework. I already started with the frame, as you see, 2 pieces screwed to the fiberglass in the front very carefully, and then I epoxied them in as well. Alright, and then on the passenger side, it wasn't as bad of a damage on the driver's side, but as you see, I replaced a little, it's like an 18-inch section right there, and then I got a little cover board. That cover panel that goes right in here, that's already going to be fixed. I already have it cut, and it's going to look nice for that whole area. 2-tone leather. Up here in the front is going to have some wood floors where this carpet is. And the wood floors are going to look something like those right there with the black trim. I don't know if you can see the stairwell there. Those are recently redone. Some metal trim work around there. You see the LED lighting. I got to build a couple balances to hide these, but it's pretty nice. Got a nice little TV on a swing arm right there. Anyway, so it's coming along pretty nice. I'm going to paint the kitchen right there, get rid of some of the holes from the previous owner. Carpet up here in the front lounge. Now you see I had to replace a nice section of board right here, and that was from that antenna right there. Well, that's all brand new now, but it was leaking, and this is particle board. Particle board definitely gets wet and rots away. So we used 5/8 plywood right here. I did not use pressure treated. I know a lot of you are probably thinking, well, this could be a wet environment. Why aren't you doing pressure treated? But this is a motor home that's not going to be used all the time, and I don't want the gases that pressure treated gives off to be in here making people sick, especially if it's underneath the carpet. So I did not do anything. I'm just going to do normal plywood. It's hard to see. See if I could zoom in right there a little better. But up under the dash there, I cleaned it up. I took the poor man cheater way out. This is an older coach. So I had painted the carpet that was there. They make a carpet dye spray from 3M. My buddy's in the upholstery shop, so he suggested that that carpet you see on the dash will be replaced. But up under the dash, you know, it's really hard. I'm not going to remove everything, so I went ahead and dyed that recently. And then I'll do the wood floors down there on the front. And then the captain chairs I have sitting in the garage over there right now just for easy access. So it's coming along. I'm very happy. I have some boards that are going to go around the windshield that'll cover the trim there. I'm going to put some new leather here on this door panel right here. Getting ready to we're going to end up getting 2 new captain chairs and a new couch here. Couch is actually in great condition. It's just getting old, and the one little captain chair on the passenger side has a little 2-inch tear in the seat. You can't even see it. It's on the back corner of it, but you know, I know it's there. So I found an online company that sells them for about $1,500 for a couple leather chairs and a new leather couch. Already all done, new metal. I think they're flex steel. So this is kind of where we're at. I know I posted a video with a bunch of pictures seeing everything. So as you see, a lot's been done. You got the nice beautiful wood floor there. I had the new stairs coming into the coach. Again, you know, these older companies, this is a Georgia boy, they love particle boards. So it's gotten wet in here in the past. And I did the surface of the stove, ordered a new pan there. You know, it was a little bit nicked up and everything, so that turned out really nice. As you see, I continued my lighting underneath the edge of the counter there. Looks really good. Painted that grid right there that you see, it's black. Did restain some of the cabinets recently. Alright, you can kind of tell that the wood edges are a little nicer. You know, original microwave. So the ceiling, what you're looking at, is original, not stained, not painted, not tending to do anything. I think that that's wrong when you you will come into a coach and see it all professionally painted. You know, I think, well, where's that coach been? What's happened to the roof? Got a nice little switch right there for the LED tape. Also did that up under there too. All right.